February is not just a time for romantic love. It's a time of shifting energies, an awakening, a thaw, and a time for self-reflection and self-love. Tonight, we're going to infuse an oil to anchor our intent for self-love, self-awakening, and embracing that wild shift of energies in the natural world. The oil is best if you let it infuse throughout the day, at least the burn time of one tea light candle, though a second one will enhance the potency if you let it infuse for the burn length of 2 tea light candles. Once the infusion is complete, you're going to strain out the bits of herb and flower that are in the oil, and you're left with this just amazing smelling light oil that you've taken the time to be intentional in creating. This ritual of preparation helps us to be still and reflective, helps us to reconnect to what we draw from nature and what we're looking to draw from ourselves. If you'd like to learn more about this naturalist approach and the festivals that predated modern Valentine's Day, as well as welcoming in a truly restorative deep night's sleep, join us for tonight's sleep story on Back to Nature.